Royal icing transfers are a cookier's best friend, and I'll show you why. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So over the next few weeks, we'll be decorating a lot of Christmas royal icing transfers here on the channel, and you can grab all of these transfer sheets off my website. There's a link in the description. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about exactly what I'm doing here, but I will leave detailed instructions in the description. But I just want to touch on why royal icing transfer sheets are so amazing, especially at holiday times or times when you're making a lot of cookies and you can't afford to have any mistakes on your cookies because they're a gift or you have a customer order, and so royal transfers are the answer. And what are royal icing transfers? Well, if you're not familiar with them, it's just a printout that you print off of your computer, and then you can either put it inside of a sheet protector, inside of a Ziploc bag, under a sheet of parchment paper, anything that you can see through, and then pipe on top where it's food safe, and then you can peel it off once it dries. It basically turns it into a big sprinkle. And you're going to want to use your royal icing in about a 15 to 20 second consistency so that you don't have any spreading. Actually, a little bit stiffer is better for royal icing transfers, but it will take some time to smooth it out with your scribe. This is also a great way to practice your piping skills. And you can make the design in multiple sizes, so you can print it out larger or you can print it out smaller, and that way you have it just the size that you need. And you won't need a projector or tissue paper to trace the design onto your cookie. And with royal icing transfers, you don't usually have to worry about craters. You have an occasional air bubble that you might get, but no craters to worry about. So you can go ahead and pipe these and know that they're going to be perfect on your cookie when you're finished. And once they dry completely, which for me takes about 24 hours, you can just pop them right off of your sheet, and you have a little sprinkle that's ready to apply to your cookie with just a dab of royal icing as the glue. And you can store these in a container, an airtight container, for probably forever. They don't really go bad, so you can have them ready to use whenever you need them. And while they're drying, you can go ahead and decorate your cookies so that as soon as your cookies are dry and your royal icing transfers are dry, you can add this as the finishing touch, and then your cookies are done. Simple as that. And no worries about finding a crater in the middle of your design or having a design that's not perfect and the cookie not being what you want to give to your family member or as a gift or to your customer. And there's so many different things you can make, and it's so easy to finish all of your cookies this way. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the future tutorials on royal icing transfers, so that all of your Christmas designs will be amazing, beautiful, and stress-free. Bye for now.